You guys are psycho. Yeah.
Your dog's nuts almost touched my face.
Oh yeah, a bike. Yeah. Good job, Tyson. Ah! That so almost hit her. Take my hamster. Is that paint? Don't throw paint. Oh my god. Don't throw the paint.
Let's go, bitch. Let's go. I got a fishing rod.
You can't fucking see anybody in here. Fishing. What does he take? A fishing rod? Okay, you know you're supposed to reel each other in and like be like, bloop, I got you. That looks like a giant penis. That looks really weird. Oh my god. Oh shit. You guys are almost hating me in the making. Okay, my poor fishing rod, guys.
Oh, room, nigga.
You guys, it's done! Ah! No, ah!